My friends at the zoo called and said the poor snake isn't feeling good. He's a friendly snake, and they just want some help understanding what's going on. Oh, that's a little close for comfort, Snake. Hop on down. Oh, maybe it just needs a hug. This is getting a little bit scary. Help! Help! Wow, what was that? Masked Chimp. Do you know who that was? I've got to thank her. Oh, that was scary. Oh, I'm sure it was Doc. Hey, we'll find out who it is. Look for the video, Super Chimp to the Rescue on Epic Doll Channel. The secret will be revealed.